This is a new set of tools that I've recently bought from Amazon, and it's a solder. It's called a solder assist tools. These are used for assisting during soldering. The tools are 6 in numbers, and each tool has 2 sides for that helps in different purposes, that used to help for different types of jobs that is required during soldering. You can see this tool. This is the chip holder tool. This side is the chip holder tool. This is the chip holder tool, and the other side is the needle tool. It can assist in assist in holding chips while soldering. I can hold chips like this while soldering in SMD and other types of works. And this is the needle tool. It has a very sharp edge that is looks like a needle, and it really helps in taking out IC chips like this. So that is the use of this. This is a needle tool. This is the IC remover tool. And this is the hook tool for hooking the leads of a component. This is also it's a remover tool. It's also used to remove. These are used to remove big ICs from the base. It's a remover tool. It's a very sharp and pointed tool. And this on the other side you can see there's a hook type pointed edge. This hooked edge can be used for pulling the terminals of a component, or pulling a component into any particular direction. Now comes the this is the reamer tool. This is the reamer tool. This is a reamer tool where you can put hole on the PCB. You can use this to push through a hole and widen the hole. This really have a cutting edge, but this is a fully round edge. It's a fully rounded edge needle. Reamer, it's also called the reamer tool. And this is a angled reamer. This is an angled reamer, and this is fully round reamer. This is the fork tool. Now this is the fork. It's a fork type. It's a fork tool, and it is used for pulling up any horizontally soldered components. Just pulling up any horizontally soldered components, just for purposes like that, or direct the terminals or leads of the components into its required direction, or into their required position during soldering. So this edge is also having similar type of thing. You can insert into a terminal or lead of a component, and or you can twist it, or you can similarly twist the component like this, or you can orient the component in a specific direction during soldering. And this is the chisel tool, or scraper and knife tool. So this is a scraper tool, and this is a knife tool. This shows a scraping surface. This is the scraper tool, and this is the knife tool. This is the knife tool. This piece has a scraping type of surface. It's used for scraping the surface of the PCB or things like that. And this edge is the knife edge. The knife edge is used for cutting the tracks. You can cut tracks using this knife edge. It's very sharp edge. It's a chisel shaped edge, so you can cut the tracks of a PCB using this chisel tool or a knife tool. This is the brush tool for cleaning the surface of PCB after soldering. You can use this brush to clean up the copper tracks and the surface of the PCB using this brush tool. It is used to brush the surface of the tracks of PCB after soldering. You can clean the surface. So it is for cleaning the surface of a PCB, or brushing the surface. So this is the brushing tip, the tip of the brush, which looks like this. It is for cleaning and for cleaning up the PCB after soldering.